Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we learn AI as easy as we can. This is a continuation of our previous video about Stable Diffusion 3. Once installed, you can start experimenting with text-to-image synthesis right away. The user interface is as intuitive as a smartphone app, making it accessible for both newbies and seasoned pros. If you ever get stuck, the community forums are a treasure trove of tips and tricks. It's like having a comfy UI tutorial at your fingertips. For sure, your whole body will tremble, your brain will explode, and you will definitely be blown away if you learn that. Stable Diffusion 3 is just an upgraded version of Stable Diffusion. What then is Stable Diffusion 3 Medium? Think of Stable Diffusion 3 Medium as a special setting or mode within the upgraded paintbrush, as we explained in our last video. It's like having a specific brush or tool in your artist's toolkit that's perfect for certain types of artwork. This medium is optimized to balance quality and speed, making it ideal for creating high-quality images efficiently. How did they come up? Stable Diffusion. The original Magic Paintbrush was created to turn text into images using advanced algorithms. Stable Diffusion 3. Over time, the creators improved the paintbrush, making it smarter, faster, and more accurate, resulting in Stable Diffusion 3. Stable Diffusion 3 Medium. Within this upgraded version, they developed a special mode, Medium, that optimizes the process, making it even more efficient for certain tasks. There are those who are overly curious and like to pry, and there are also those who don't seem to bother much. The question is, what can we gain from this? In summary, Stable Diffusion is like a magic paintbrush that creates images from text. Stable Diffusion 3 is the latest, most advanced version of this paintbrush, and Stable Diffusion 3 Medium is a special setting within it that makes the process even smoother and faster. At level 3, we're talking about advanced techniques that ensure our AI models don't just spread information, but do it smoothly and efficiently. Think of it as the difference between a toddler with a crayon and an artist with a fine brush. Both can draw, but one does it with a bit more finesse. Now let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Identify your data points. This is like gathering all your ingredients before you start cooking. You don't want to realize halfway through that you're missing the salt. Step 2. Apply the diffusion algorithm. This is where the magic happens. It's like mixing all your ingredients together to create a delicious AI stew. Yum! And finally, step 3, evaluate and adjust. Just like tasting your stew and adding a pinch of salt if needed, you need to check your model's performance and tweak it for the best results. Just go ahead and check it out. What's the worst that could happen, right? Don't be a chicken. Imagine you're on a mid-journey through the vast landscape of AI news, and you stumble upon a comfy tutorial. This tutorial isn't just any guide, it's your golden ticket to mastering Stable Diffusion. By the end of it, you'll be able to install Stable Diffusion like a pro and create stunning text-to-image masterpieces that leave people wondering if you're secretly a wizard. The magic of diffusion models. Diffusion models are the unsung heroes of the AI world. These models work behind the scenes, transforming random noise into coherent images. It's like watching a magician pull a rabbit out of a hat, but instead of a rabbit, you get a breathtaking piece of generative art. The process involves a series of steps where the model learns to reverse the diffusion process, gradually refining the image until it reaches perfection. In the realm of computer vision and deep learning, diffusion models are the backbone of many advanced image synthesis techniques. They enable artists to create intricate designs that were once thought impossible. By diving deep into the mechanics of these models, you can unlock new levels of creativity and innovation in your work. How can I learn more about Level 3 Stable Diffusion? You can start by exploring Fliki tutorials and staying updated with the latest AI news. These resources provide valuable insights and practical tips. Oh, buckle up. If you don't get this, you could be staring at a pile of gold. And there you are. thinking it's just some fancy copper. Applications in generative art. Stable Diffusion 3 is a game changer for generative art. Artists and designers can now create intricate and detailed images with just a few lines of text. Imagine describing a sunset over the ocean, and within seconds you have a masterpiece ready for your next project. It's like having an artistic AI assistant that never sleeps. The model's capabilities extend beyond just art. In the field of computer vision, it can be used for tasks like image synthesis and deep learning. Researchers are already exploring its potential in various applications, from medical imaging to autonomous vehicles. The possibilities are as endless as a bottomless cup of coffee. Real-world examples. Midjourney, a popular platform for generative art, has already integrated Stable Diffusion 3 into its toolkit. Users have reported a significant improvement in the quality and speed of image generation. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Another example is in the field of machine learning. Researchers are using Stable Diffusion 3 to train models that can generate realistic images from textual descriptions. This has huge implications for industries like advertising and entertainment, where visual content is king. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what you want to see. What are some practical applications of Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion is used in various fields, including advertising, fashion, and computer vision, to create high-quality, detailed images that captivate audiences. Practical applications and case studies. How can you apply Level 3 Stable Diffusion in real-world scenarios? Picture this. You're working on a project that requires high-quality image generation. By leveraging the power of diffusion models, you can produce images that are not only visually stunning, but also highly detailed. This technique is particularly useful in fields like advertising, where eye-catching visuals are paramount. Take, for example, a recent case study involving a major fashion brand. They used Stable Diffusion to create a series of promotional images that were so lifelike, viewers couldn't tell they were AI generated. This not only saved the brand time and money, but also set a new standard for creativity in the industry. What can we learn from this? Stable Diffusion 3 is setting new standards in the field of generative AI. With its advanced capabilities in text-to-image synthesis and easy installation process, it is a must-have tool for anyone interested in artistic AI or computer vision. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this model offers something for everyone. Learning Stable Diffusion 3 is like having a superpower in the world of generative AI. By combining insights from Midjourney experiences and Comfy UI tutorials, you can elevate your artistic game to new heights. Understanding diffusion models and their practical applications can open doors to endless creative possibilities. Isn't it great? But let's not forget that as it is called, it is just artificial intelligence after all. It still relies on the data it is fed. It's like a parrot, only as good as the data it mimics. If the data is inaccurate, the output will also be inaccurate. Artificial intelligence is no match for natural stupidity. Nothing beats good old human ingenuity, common sense, practicality, and most of all, feeling. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI the easy way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our next adventure into the world of AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious and keep learning while having fun. Open up your mind and further enrich your understanding of well-researched knowledge, which is the foundation of true wisdom. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated in your chosen field to ensure success.